And Sheikh Mohammed Al Thani, it's very interesting to me listening to what some of the solutions are, because so often it is a collaboration or a partnership and finding somebody or an organization that has what you don't have. So if you're a smaller organization, finding a bigger one. If you're a younger organization, finding a more experienced organization, because experience can be very helpful, but equally youth can be very helpful. And I just wonder what collaborations or partnerships you've seen in this area.
Yeah, so yes, collaboration, or let's say the partnership. For example, we have the right experience, from, let's say, the size and the age of the organization we are or the industry we are having. However, my point is, what I want to convey is when you have a younger, let's say, mindset, I think it's the more agility you have to move forward. I would honestly echo what my colleague is saying here. So when you talk about the talent, when you talk, let's say, about initiatives for digital, or let's say being part of when people are being employed, there should be a size, or let's say a type of orientation about what the corporate is doing in terms of environmental or social, let's say, perspective. Partnership or collaboration with government sector. So we talk about, let's say, environmental, working with the Ministry of Environment, zero carbon. These type of partnership really helps as part of the solution. Awareness, making people, let's say, talking about going green and being a paperless organization. These type of mindset needs really awareness, education, knowledge. Then talking about, let's say, a governance. We talked about an over-regulated or over-regulation. I'm not talking about under regulations. I'm talking about a well-regulated market. So it will really help how you govern your organization by a very right practice or best practice to be developed as a part of the solution to be having a sustainable performance or sustainable corporate going forward.